Welcome class 6. Today we will solve the problems from exercise 15b. So look at question number 5. From the sum of 75.75 and 4.9, subtract 28.465. Means we have to add this number and this first. Then we have to subtract 28.465 from the answer that you obtain after adding these two. Okay, so let's find out how. Okay, we have to add 75.75 with 4.9, and when you are adding, since the number of decimal places out here is 2 and out here it's only 1, so we simply add a 0 over here so that the number of decimal places in both the decimal numbers become equal. Now we can add easily. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. So we'll carry 1 out here. Then we'll put the point. Then 4 and 5 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Alright, and the carry 1. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So we got 80.65. And now we have to subtract 28.465 from this number 80.65. So we write down 28.465 out here. 28.465, and we have to subtract it from 80.65 from the sum of these two numbers. But make sure that you are aligning the decimals in the same straight vertical line. So now here we have to subtract, and since the number of decimal places out here is 2 and out here it's 3, so let's make the like decimals by putting a 0 over there, and then now we will subtract. Alright, now subtraction. 0 minus 5, that means we have to carry over here, so we get 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, and this 5 has reduced to 4 now. Okay, so this is 4. So 4 minus 6, that means we carry 1. So 14 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 4 and 4, 8. Okay, so this gets reduced to 5 now. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Put the decimal. Okay, this is 10 after borrowing 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2, and this has become 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So 52.185 will be the required answer. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 5. Next, have a look at question number 8. From the sum of 2.43 and 4.349, subtract the sum of 0.8 and 3.15. So first we have to find the sum of these two numbers, and we have to subtract these sum, and we have from this one we have to subtract the sum of these two. That means we have to add this and this and this one and this one separately. Then whatever the results will be obtained, the result obtained over here and the result obtained over here. So from the sum of this, so from this answer, whatever the result will be obtained, we have to subtract the result obtained by adding these two. So let's find out. Alright, so here I have written the numbers. 2.43 is to be added with 4.349, and we have to find the sum of these two, and also we have to find the sum of 0.8 and 3.15. Okay, so since we are finding the sum, so we can write the addition sign over here in both the cases. Okay, and we'll put a 0 over here so that the decimal places becomes equal, and similarly out here as well. So first we add these two numbers. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 4 plus 3 again is 7. And put the point. Okay, remember to put the points in the proper alignment. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we got 6.779 from the first sum. From the second one, 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. Put the point. 0 plus 3 is 3. So we get 3.95 as the sum of the two numbers out here. Now it is said that we have to subtract this number from this one. You have to subtract from the sum of these two, that is from this number. We have to subtract the sum of these two. That means this number has to be subtracted from here. So we write down this number again, 6.779, and we have to subtract 3.95. So 3.95, and let us put a 0 over here so that the decimal places are equal in both the cases. Now we will subtract. 9 minus 0 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 7 minus 9 is not, 7 is smaller, so we'll borrow 1. So we get 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Put the point. Now this has become 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get 2.829 as the answer. So this is the answer for question number 8.